I am Quan Yin. Flowers have always been inspiration to poets, traded among lovers, given as gifts, brought at births and passing, as celebration and witnesses. Human beings have forgotten the language of flowers, the power of flowers. Human beings have forgotten the nature of flowers. Because flowers exist on your earth in a way that you do not exist, does not mean they don't have equal autonomy on the earth as the human being. And in fact, the flowers are the crowning glory of the earth, the crowning glory of nature, the spiritual vibration embodied in physical form. The flowers have the essence of compassion, the essence of healing, and the essence of unity consciousness. The flowers have the essence and understanding of abundance. You have fought to survive on the planet, and the flowers have been there to show you all along that it is not about survival. It is about thriving. As you dig your roots into the soil, they dig their roots into the soil. They merge heaven and earth. They are beauty and inspiration. They are comfort and they are joy. You are filled with the essence of flowers. Take a moment to hold the palms again. Imprint on your consciousness that flower that came to you. Hold it in your consciousness for a moment in silence. The carnation, the sweet william, the buttercup, the bachelor button, the snapdragon. These flowers grow and merge, the agapanthus. These flowers attract the hummingbirds and the butterflies, other messages and messengers from spirit. You are the flowers, and you are attracting to you the divine messengers from spirit. You'll find them in the eyes of the stranger. You'll find them in the colors of a sunset. You'll find them in the soft whispering of the breeze or the bubbling of the water, the drops of the rain, the flakes of the snow. You'll find messages all around you. They are subtle but important. The voice of earthly power likes to be loud, likes to thunder, likes to send vibrations and posturing of its power into the world. You have seen this in dictators, in guns, in bombs. You have seen the noise of earthly power. You have heard the caste registers chinging and the sounds of the mountains as gold and minerals and gemstones are pulled out for greed and for lust. You have seen and heard the noise of earthly power, machines churning, motors humming, trucks and trains, rockets and planes. You have heard those noises of earthly power. Heavenly power, the vibration of spiritual power, is very different. It sings, it dances, it's subtle. Like the hummingbird's joyous nature, it is scared away by the loud noise. It is shooed away. Be gentle in your own nature. Deal with the fears that come your way by bringing them to the garden, bringing the flower nature to them. Deal with the fears that come your way by accepting them, being with them. Deal with your own deep inner fears. Face them. Face them with love and the gentleness of the flowers, and those demons will melt away. I am Quan Yin, speaking of the flowers. You have heard the channeling for the new year. You have understood that there needs to be time and stillness and silence. There needs to be a connection to your physical body on a deeper way. We have spoken to you over the last 6 or 7 months in and out, especially in the summer times, about ascension. We have spoken to you and tried to convey to you the vibration of ascension, the understanding that ascension is not the rising up and leaving the earth. It's the bringing together of your vibrational higher body into the lower body. You have volunteered. You have stepped onto the earth, been born onto the earth of woman and man. You have been born onto the earth in the material form to be present during this time of great shifts in consciousness and to anchor those shifts in consciousness on your earth. Look around you, the duality of the human nature, the duality of the material expression of human nature in your world, the violence, the fear, the greed, the suffering, the joy, the positive energies. Recognize that when you come in the middle and experience both from this place of witnessing, this place of being unified with the flowers and the vibration of compassion, you will perceive things in a different way. And in that perception, you will change things. You will change things on your planet. You have been changing yourself. You have been perceiving yourself in different ways, and those experiences that come your way in new ways. You have been opening to the understanding of looking at life with curiosity, of moving away from qualifying it as right or wrong, good or evil, worse or better. You have been stepping in and looking at things with curiosity. This has helped you change your perspective, your outlook, your vibration. These changes are much more powerful than you recognize. These changes are moving through you and through the human consciousness. You are reaching critical mass. Critical mass is an explosion of energies. Just like the energies are exploding in the cells of your body and shifting and changing, you are coming together as individual cells, connecting with the other cells of the human race and changing the blueprint of the earth being. The earth being becomes something else. It ascends into a new nature, a new vibration, and you are what is anchoring that to happen on this earth at this time.